Welcome to the Paint So Perfect Let's Paint Together. Hi everyone. Today, the Magical Fantasy Kitchen is having a secret training camp, and the brave little ninja coffee cup is happily practicing his super sword moves. Let's draw and color this adorable cappuccino assassino with his cool headband and a big bright smile. Add sharp blue katanas, tiny running shoes, and a colorful belt to make our little hero look extra powerful and legendary. Every beautiful color you add will make the happy ninja cup smile even bigger and turn the kitchen into a fun playground adventure. If you enjoyed coloring this adorable warrior friend, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends.
Thank you.